What's up guys, Jake here. So today, I am currently vertical tilling again. So we are in a tornado watch right now, so that's always good. But yeah, they're talking severe thunderstorms again tonight, so trying to get as much of this as I can done. But we have all that to do over there yet, and some over that way, so it's about 100 or so acres yet to go. So anyways, I'm gonna keep on pushing through here, try to get as much video as I can. So hope you guys enjoy today. Skies ain't looking too friendly right now, so these storms are coming right in, are coming in pretty quick here. So I'm gonna have to, I'm about roughly maybe 5 miles away from the farm, 4 or 5 miles away from the farm, so I'm gonna have to drive this sucker back. Anyways, yeah, well, these are actually going to be severe from what they're saying. So anyways, I'll talk to you guys in a second. Alrighty guys, oh, stuff's starting to move in here. Appears like the wind's picking up, so I'm going to work on a little bit over this hill here. I'm gonna get out of here a little bit before it hits. First, on my way home with the vertical till, that was our first wave, and we kind of clipped the outside edge of it, fortunately, but looks like we're going to be smack dab in the middle of this next round, and it's going to be quite big. So that first round, you guys won't be able to see it, but over on this big tree in our front yard here, it knocked down a branch that I was actually gonna go saw that out because it was kind of a dead branch, and there's a couple of off branches growing off of it. But anyways, that blew over and blew down, so I don't have to worry about that. So that tree's been here forever. That big tree there. So, anyways, well, they're talking hail and like 70-80 mile an hour winds, straight line winds. So we'll see how this plays out.
You got hail.
You guys can hear that. It weren't anything huge, but still hail. Dark clouds. 215 in planter. 245 in vertical till. In the driveway. Not good. So it has been another weekend of not being in the fields and rain. Cold again. Not supposed to warm up until next week. So as you can see, I'm in sweatshirt and I used to be in short sleeves, but not good. Anyways, yeah, but the only good thing I see right now is there's empty seed bags. So that's good because there's actually something in the ground. Anyways, we got the seed tender there. Did put in some soybeans, but this video's been all over the place. I think those videos at the beginning were from Wednesday. So what happened with that last storm is we had that first round and it just came up and clipped us because that was coming from the south. But the next storm came from the east and it just seemed to split apart and go right away from us, which was good. But we got a little too much rain. But through this whole weekend we got probably an inch, not even, of rain, which is good. Or not this whole weekend, this whole past week we got an inch, which is good. We were able to get back out and keep on doing stuff. Yesterday it rained all day yesterday, but before it started raining, we were able to get in and plant some soybeans. So it wasn't all that much, but it was enough just to get us done. So here's one of our trailers. So this is a Stoughton 40-footer. So that trailer's older, and we needed something that had a little bit more capacity but wasn't as long. So we got this Jet. I think it's a 38-footer. 37, 38, I'm not exactly sure, but yeah, I'm looking forward to using it. Actually, we're gonna be filling up a couple of bins here, so I might be able to show this in action. Anyways, yeah, but I honestly, until we found this trailer or saw it online, we did not know what the Jet trailers were. I've never heard of the company before. So we had that Stoughton, and then we have the Drake trailer. So this, I'm looking forward to it. It's a steel trailer. That Stoughton is a aluminum trailer, and then the Drake is a steel trailer. Like this thing is all steel. So this is a really nice trailer. We really like this. It's short, but it holds over 1,000 bushel. So that really is helpful getting in and out of fields too. So anyways, we really like this, and we're kind of looking forward to using that Jet trailer. So That's the newest addition to the farm. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Jake Lenz. Talk to you guys later.